Palestine or Israel?
Israel.
Why do you say Israel?
Because that's where Jesus was grew up at. So
Yes.
They're messing with it. They're just trying to start a war with it.
Jesus comes from a lineage of people who lived there already, my brother. The people who are there right now have lineage with Jesus. The Palestinians lived on that land already. Israel has come and occupied that land illegally and is taking over the land that belonged to Jesus, my friend. And the Palestinian people are fighting to defend the land of Jesus. But that's not the story that's played in the media. The media is saying, these are the savages and we're trying to defend the land. No, my brother, they don't care about that land for Jesus. The Jews don't even believe in Jesus. The Muslims are the ones who are defending the land. Do you understand? And they're trying to kick them out and commit a ethnic genocide. They're trying to kill all the Palestinian people. So I encourage you guys, read more, educate more, study more about this, my brothers, and I pray that the Almighty guides you guys. I want to leave you guys with a quick gift, if that's okay with you guys. I want to give you a free copy of this book, my brother. One for you. My guy, real